had this much fun since Two Little Boys was number one. If my friends could see me now. How do I look?
Ridiculous.
You little tease. A dance, Kimberly? Do you think we'll make it to the end of the record?
How long is that exactly?
You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear
All together now.
voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la, la 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 la.
How you getting on then?
Oh, bless, I've got everything out of my head, mate.
Haven't you got any plates then?
No, I've got a wrap around my little finger.
Oh, that sounds painful. Hasn't she got any friends?
Well, she has, yeah, but she wouldn't have any left if I introduced you to them, would she?
Oh, I feel like a spare bit of Ollie.
What are you talking about?
Green and surrounded by pricks.
Come on, Lollipops, let's get on with it.
Here's trouble.
Coming, Kimmy Coo.
Kimmy Moscow. Coming, Kimmy.
Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit reign. Root beer, anyone? Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Plenty of pumpkin pie left, by the way.
Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
Keep in mind, Melvin.
Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Wow, yeah, that was fantastic.
Very nice.
Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4.